Calgary Oil Change Deals. Tips and strategies for finding a great place to change your vehicle's oil. When you drive a vehicle, sooner or later the oil needs to be changed. Some people are more proactive about their oil changes than others, keeping a close schedule. It is typically a good idea to stay apprised of when your vehicle is in need of an oil change and quickly schedule an appointment when the time comes. If you are new to vehicle ownership, or if you constantly find yourself having a difficult time deciding where to take your car when it needs a change, this guide will help you locate a great oil change service that you can visit consistently for as long as you live in the area. The first step in this process is often to speak with friends and family who live in the area. If you're new to town, it's natural that you won't have a regular place that you visit. By speaking with your friends, you can learn a lot about the various options that you have at your disposal and whether or not any one of them are going to work for you. This is a good first step and might help you establish a short list of candidates. The next step could be to go online and look at what the rest of the world is saying about the oil change places that you've chosen. Not every oil change service is going to provide a similar level of quality with what they do. By going online, you can check out the garage's business listing, which should be accompanied by consumer reports and client reviews. These reviews can carry important information that can make a huge difference to the decision that you ultimately end up making. If you're still having difficulty, you might go through a process of trial and error. Seeing as how you'll be needing to get your oil changed once every 3 months or so anyway, you can afford to try out some of the better oil change spots and see how things go. If you're particularly impressed with the service the first time, then chances are you found the right place for you. If not, keep an open mind and try somewhere new until you settle down. The important thing is that you find a place to change your oil that gets everything right. Although a lot of people let their vehicles go on for a long time without performing this critical item of regular maintenance, that can be a dangerous strategy. Oil is responsible for lubricating the moving parts of your engine, and as it breaks down over time, it loses its ability to perform this function. Changing your oil is a good way to continually renew your vehicle's performance and prevent anything drastic from happening to your engine. If you're looking for great Calgary oil change deals throughout the city, you've come to the right place. We know this area well and can help you find the best Calgary oil change deals available. To learn more and get in contact with someone, please click the link below to visit our website.